Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, towards Tower Isles, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway. Turning off the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road onto Ocean Ridge, which is to the left and right. You can explore the road to the left in the Ocean Ridge Part 1 video. If we had continued straight on the highway, then the road would take us to Tower Isles, Prospect, to White River, Ocho Rios and other places. To the right is an unnamed road. Ocean Ridge ends and we are turning back. Again, on the left is an unnamed road, and we'll explore that road in the Ocean Ridge Part 3 video. We are back at the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway, which is just ahead. Going left on the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road will take you west towards Tower Isles, Prospect, to White River and Ocho Rios. Going right will take you east towards Boscobel, where you can find the Fleming International Airport, towards Oracabessa, Racecourse, Galina and Port Maria. Again, to the left is the other end of Ocean Ridge, which is the Part 1 video. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.